and welcome back Tech Neighbors. Today we're gonna do another unboxing, but this time with the Nokia 7 Plus. Alright, let's get started. So, out of the box you get the Nokia 7 Plus. Wait, let me just get it out first. So out of the box, you get the device itself, which is the Nokia 7 Plus. This is the black and bronze edition. Inside this long box, you get a USB Type-C cable, earphones, as well as their charging adapter. Yeah. So this is what you get inside this long box over here. Okay, I'm just gonna set this aside. In the other compartment, you have the pin where you can use to remove the SIM tray, which is the SIM tray is located on the top left side of the device. Under it, you get the quick start guide and product and safety info. And then right under that, you get silicone cover. The Nokia 7 Plus is powered by the Android One, so it's running on stock Android, so you definitely have the speed, the efficiency of a stock Android phone inside this phone. I'll just put a text right over here, and this will be all the list of the tech specs. It's great for general use, it's great for multitasking, it's pretty decent at gaming actually. At a price of $1699 is actually not that bad. I'm gonna take a few photos and then I'll put it up on the video to show you how it looks like and maybe a few selfies. Do expect a review coming up regarding this phone and how it performs under our test. This is Keegan from TechNative.com and I'll see you in the next video.